Hello guys, today I'm gonna tell you how you can use the shareme app for wireless transfer your files and images to your PC or even Mac. So you can install shareme at any Android device. I'm using Xiaomi right now, and Play Store, open Play Store. Then if you don't have shareme, then just install shareme. I already did this and it's from Xiaomi, so that's why I am going to open this. And now when you open shareme, then there is a button share to PC. So when you click on share to PC, now keep in mind you have your phone and your laptop or PC should be connected to same Wi-Fi, and when you are ready, then click start, and now click portable not secure, and you can also protect your connection by password protected, but I will use portable not secure for quick connection and click OK. So here we go. So now you got the FTP. So you have to type this FTP not in your browser. Actually you have to type your FTP in your PC's Explorer. So for that I will now head over to PC section. Now I will open up my PC and I will show you how you did this. Now so this is my computer. Open my computer, and now from here write FTP. I already write this, and this address change time to time. So here you can see it's a Windows 11 PC. So you have to write this in your Explorer, not any Chrome or browser. So like this, 192.0.1.103.103.21.21. Yes. So let me open the camera again. So here you can see I write in Explorer section, not in any browser. Now click enter, and boom, you're in your phone, and now you can copy, transfer any files between your PC or laptop from your Android devices without any hassle with shareme device. Peace for now.